children, good afternoon. In today's class, we are learn about the multiplication of the fraction. In the last class, we are learned that what addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. Now we study about the multiplication of the fractions. Now, multiplication of fractions by whole number. For example, 3 by 5. Okay, by 3 by 5 by 7. Here, one is a fraction and one is a whole number. Okay, fraction means part of equal parts of the whole. Okay, equal parts of the whole. Then whole number. One is whole number. How do we multiply these two? Fraction and whole number. See, in the multiplication, 3 by 5 into 7, when by means into, when the what fraction and whole number we multiplying, just we write numerator into the whole number divided by 5. Okay, fraction, the numerator of the fraction into whole number divided by 5. Now here 3 sevens are 21 divided by 5. Okay, 21 divided by 5. Okay, this is the way of finding the multiplication in fraction. Multiplication by whole number. Okay, when one part is a fraction and another one is whole number comes in the multiplication, then you just multiply the whole number by numerator and divided by 5 as a denominator. Denominator equals to 21 by 5. Or for example, what? 7 by 16 into 28. 7 by 16 into 28. How do we find out? Now is equal to 7 into 28 divided by 16. Okay, 7 into 28 divided by 16. Now equals to, I write here, 7 8s are 56. Okay, 56. Then 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 14 plus 5 is 19. Okay, 196 divided by 16. 196 divided by 16. Now 196 and 16 are in the same table. When the numerator and denominator are in the same table, you just divide. Okay, here 4 4s are 16. 4 what? 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. Then 17, 18, 19, 3 is remains. So write here 3, it's become 36. Again 4, 8s are 36. Okay, 4 9s are 36. Now 49 by 4. Okay, 49 by 4. So 7 by 16 into 38 is, just we multiply numerator by whole number, then denominator you write as it is here. So 196 divided by 16 is not dividing by 4, divided by 4, 16 4s are, 4 4s are 16, 4 49s are 196. So now the fraction is 49 by 4. Then we write 49 by 4 into mixed fraction. 49 divided by 4 is 4 ones are 4, 0. Then 9 will become here. 4 2s are 8, 1 is remains. Now 12 plus 1. So this is improper fraction. We convert it into a mixed fraction. Have you understand? Firstly, the number is, one is fraction and another one is whole number. We multiply numerator by a whole number. So the answer is 196 divided by 16. Then we both number. Pass out both number by the same number, that is 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 49s are 196. Now the fraction is 49 by 4. So 49 by 4, we convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Say improper fraction, we convert it into a mixed fraction. So the fraction is 12 of 1 by 4. 12 of 1 by 4. Then next one is 1 of 3 by 9. 1 of 3 by 9 into 18. Now 1 of 3 by 9 is a mixed fraction into our 18 is whole number. Firstly, we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So how do we convert mixed fraction into improper? We multiply numerator and whole number, and the product we add the numerator. Okay. Now 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 by 9 into 18. Now we write here 12 8s are 96. Okay. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 9 is 21 divided by 9. So now 9 and 2 not 16 are in the 3 table. Okay. 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. Okay. 9 twos are 18. 18, 19, 20, 21. 3 remains 36. 9 fours are 36. Okay. Now the sum is 24 by 1. Okay. So 1 of 3 by 9 into 18 is 24 by 1. Clear to you? Yes. Next one is 2 of 1 by 3. 2 of 1 by 3 into what? 7. See here again mixed fraction into whole. Again 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Then 7 is equal to, here numerator and our whole number is say 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49 by 3. Now 49 and 3 are not in the same table, so we write it into the, convert it into a mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3 is 19. 3 6 are 18. 1 is remains. So the mixed fraction of the fraction, improper fraction 49 by 3 is 16 of 1 by 3. Okay. You do it into the what? Division sum. Here 49 divided by 3 is 43. 1 are 3. Okay. 1 is remains. Remove 9 becomes 19. 3 6 are 18. Okay. 1 is remainder. So 16 of 1 by 3. Okay. 1 remainder we write in the numerator place, and the quotient is a whole part. Okay. Now 3 is as well as remainder. So the answer is 16 of 1 by 3. Next, multiplication of a fraction by fraction. Now we just learned that multiplication of fraction by whole number. Okay, by whole number. Now multiplication of fraction by fraction. Both are fractions. How do we find out the product of two fractions? Now 11 by 13 into 2 by 3. 11 by 13 into 2 by 3. So when we multiply two fractions, okay, two fractions, here 11 by 13, 2 by 3, just we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay, so 11 2s are 22, then 13 3s are what? 13 3s are what? 39. Okay, 13 3 is 39. So the answer is 22 by 39. Then again, fraction by fraction, what 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 1 2 is 2, 3 3 is 9. Okay. So when we multiply two fractions, we just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay. For example, another one example here. What is that? 1 by 6 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is equal to what? There is a 3 fractions. Yes, 3 fractions. Fraction by fractions here. 3 fractions. 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 6 into 3 into 5. Multiply by denominators by denominators, numerators by numerator. So now 1 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Understand? Yeah. Then 6 3 is 18. Yes. 6 3 is 18. 18 5 is 40. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 18 5 is 90. Now the answer is 6 by 19. Okay. Clear to you now? When there is a 3 fractions or more than 2 fractions. Okay. And more than 2 fractions, there is same way of the multiplication, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then next one is multiplication of mixed fractions. Multiplication of mixed fractions. Multiplication of mixed fraction. I am taking you for the example for your exercise 1.5. Okay, 1.5 6 of so yes, 6 of 2 by 3 into 6 of 1 by 4. This exercise 6 of 2 by 3 into 6 of 1 by 4. Firstly, what we do? Yes, we are converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 divided by 3 into 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 4. Now we multiply that numerator by numerator. 20 into 25. 25 is 25 zeros are 0. 25 twos are 50 divided by 3 fours are 12. 12. Now 12 divided by 500 is okay. 12 fours are 48 divided by 0 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Is 0. Now 2 is remains. Then we bring out 0 here. Okay, now 20. 12 ones are 12 again because of 20 is closer to 12, which is comes in a 12 table. 12 twos are 24. 20 is lesser than 24. Now 20 divided 20 minus 12 is 8. So the remainder is 8. Quotient is 41. Then divided is 12. Divided is 500. Now we convert 500 divided by 12 into mixed fraction. 12 divided here as it is denominator. Always same. Then the quotient is 41. Write here the whole number part. Then remainder is 8. That is the numerator. So the answer is 41 of 8 by 12. Clear to you? Yes. Today we learned that fraction, multiplication of fraction by a whole number multiplication of a fraction by fraction, multiplication of a mixed fractions. Okay. Then the next topic is that reciprocal are. Next topic is reciprocal or multiplicative or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Okay, multiplicative inverse of the fraction. Okay, how do we multiply the given fraction, inverse fraction? Okay, now when we multiply the inverse of the fraction, the answer of the inverse fraction of the multiplication of the inverse fraction is always 1 because of, for example, 2 by 3. Okay, so the reciprocal form of 2 by 3 is what? That is 3 by 2. Reciprocal means inverse. Inverse means ulta. Okay, now the numerator and denominator are exchanging the places. Okay, when it's a reciprocal. Reciprocal means if there is numerator is 2, denominator is 3, the reciprocal form of 2 by 3 is 3 comes in the numerator place, 2 is comes in the denominator place, then we multiply these both fractions. Okay. Now clear to you? Reciprocal means the inverse form or the ulta form or the denominator and numerator places are exchanging. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay. 6 1s are 6 1s are, so the answer is 1. Clear to you? The reciprocal multiplication of two fractions is always 1. Understand? The reciprocal multiplication of two fractions are always 1. Then 10 by 19. 10 by 19 into the reciprocal form of 10 by 19 is 19 by 10. Okay, 19 tens are 190. 10 19s are 190. 19 tens are 190. Now 191 are 191. The answer is 1. Understand? Yes. Then again 1 by 50. 1 by 50 into 50 by 1. Okay, inverse form is writing the exchanging of their places, denominator and numerator places are exchanging or ulta, writing the ulta of the numbers. Okay, 150 is a 50, 51 is a 50, 51 is a 51, the answer is 1. Okay, this is the inverse form and this is your 1.6 exercise. And second main of this exercise is fill in the boxes. 1 by 6 into 6 is dash. 1 by 6 and into 6 is what? Here 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6. Now divide by 6. Denominator divide as it is. 6 into 6 is 1. So the answer is 1. Understand? Then second one is here. This is a 1.6 second main. A1 and B1 also. I saw you 8 by 7 into 7 by 8. Here 8 sevens are what? 56. Yes? Then 7 8s are what? Again 56. Now 56 ones are, 6 ones are. So the answer is 1. Understood? Then last one is here 5 into 1 by 5 is dash. So 5 into 1 by 5 is also 1. How it's 1? Here 5 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are, now the answer is 1. Understand? So this is your multiplication of fraction of the lesson, operations on fraction. Okay, now we learn that addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction and multiplication of fraction. Then next period we will continue this chapter. Next period we discussed about the division of fraction. Now I start the class. Your work is solve the exercise 1.4 and 1.5. Okay, thank you.